Whispers from the Brighter World, beloved Master, revered Babuji Maharaj, Friday, August 10th, 2001, 5 p.m. My son does not forget you, as you sometimes think. His burden is getting heavier. The workload is increasing, but his strength is decreasing. He also needs to be surrounded and supported. He has his faithful followers who follow and comfort him, but his heart remains painfully distressed. My daughter, your compassion towards him touches him. He perceives the least impulses coming from your loving heart. Our relationship and what results from it intrigues and moves him. He would like to know a little more about all the messages in your possession. As he cannot for the time being go to Montpellier, he remains hungry for more and is waiting for an opportune moment to go further into his investigations. He does not want to rush you. It is up to you to make choices and decisions. No one can do it for you. Your energy and, in a way, your life are in these writings. It is up to you to manage the situation at your convenience. We will guide you at the appropriate time. Take it easy, my dear daughter, Babuji Maharaj. Saturday, August 11th, 2001, 8 a.m. Your prayers are answered when they are meant to serve your evolution. A fervent prayer is always heard, even if the result is not translated in the form you wish. God's ways are unfathomable. They are not adapted to man's desires, restricted to themselves too much and often for childish and superficial motives. Sending thoughts of love without any specific formulation is more rewarding for everyone among you. They make their way, transported by the appropriate vibratory wave, without any limitation. Because become this a burning prayer and a song of love intended for humanity, appealing to universality and its creator, its supreme guide. This vocation, indeed, this is what it is, will place you in the wake of the angels who also vibrate with love, compassion, and tolerance. We ask you to elevate yourself by trying to touch the right chord inside yourself. You who are fed with our messages, who assimilate them with the passing of time, and who can, if you manage to get the substantive food out of it, testify to the benefits of this divine alchemy. Babuji Maharaj.